Hi, I'm Sachi.
And I'm Jade. Today we'll be unboxing a parcel of our own DTF transfers, just like what you'd receive when you order from Embroidery Badge UK.
We wanted to show how we do things a bit differently, from smart layouts to professional packaging.
Right from the start, our packaging is built for protection and presentation. No curling, no creasing.
Each gang sheet is pressed flat, grouped by customer order, and clearly labeled. It saves our customers a lot of setup time.
Here's a nursery graduation transfer. Look at the soft colour tones and detail on the teddy.
Here's a bold one. We are united with the classic red background. The texture print even mimics the feel of embroidery, but it's all flat and press ready.
And this one's from a night theme design, metallic style print, clean lines and no weeding or layering needed.
Whether it's branding badges like Gas Safe or detailed designs like these, what you see here is printed exactly how it will look on your garment.
So to recap, you get pre-arranged, easy to press gang sheets with great colour clarity and wash durability.
And everything arrives ready to use, just press and go. No fiddling, no extra layout work.
Thanks for watching, and if you'd like a sample,
Just visit embroiderybadge.uk to get started.